Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that is very specific for British people in Brazil, and that is the way that Brazilians think about British teeth. So I do remember when I was younger watching an episode of The Simpsons and this happened.
Let's look at a picture book. The big book of British smiles.
That's enough! That's enough!
But I didn't realise at the time that British people had a reputation for having really bad teeth until I moved to Brazil. So I remember I'd been in Brazil only 3 or 4 months and I was teaching a class, and I remember my student looked at me, she was looking into my mouth, and she wasn't listening to what I was saying, and she interrupted me and said, "Andrew, you have really good teeth. For a British person." And I didn't know if that was an insult or a compliment. Since moving to Brazil, I've been very surprised. Basically, everyone in Brazil seems to have amazing teeth. So my students have said, "Andrew, if you can afford to pay for good dental treatment, why wouldn't you?" And if you look on Google, I think Brazil is the country with the largest number of dentists in the world. Everybody goes to the dentist here, and having beautiful white, perfectly shaped teeth is not just normal here, it's expected. I found this very interesting because in Britain, I mean, they're not dirty, we don't have dirty teeth, they're just shaped a little bit more naturally. I mean, if you have like perfectly white Hollywood teeth, that is just not very British. And I did ask some of my friends what they thought of British teeth, and this is what some of them said. My friend used to live in England, and once I said to him, I said, "Is it true what they say about British teeth? Like, are they all horrible?" And he said, "They're not horrible, it's worse. They are absolutely disgusting." So I used to work in a bar in London, and sometimes my customers would come in and they would smile at me, and I would be like, "Oh my God, stop smiling, close your mouth. Can't you see what I can see? Those teeth are rotten." But my favourite one came from this. "Andrew, nowadays we have toothbrushes, we have braces. The human race has evolved. There is no reason for British people to have brown teeth that are not shaped properly." It's like, Andrew, as a British person, how can you kiss another British person with like brown teeth? How can you physically put your tongue inside their mouth? Like, it's disgusting. So when it comes to British people and their teeth, we are not impressing Brazilians very much. In fact, I'm sure that many people think we all have teeth like Austin Powers.
Yeah, baby! Yeah.
So guys, this has been my video on British teeth. If you have anything to add, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a like, and I will see you again next week.